performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited High Altitude in Hydro Blue. With LED reflector headlamps, adaptive cruise control, 20-inch aluminum wheels, full body color fender flares, trailer tow and heavy-duty electrical group, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote start system, 8,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, Command Track part-time four-wheel drive system, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D6822.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.